According to the Ukrainian national news agency Ukrinform, one Javelin and NLAW operator from the 128th Mountain Assault Brigade destroyed 6 Russian armed vehicles in a single day. In a Facebook post, the serviceman revealed how he was trained to use the Javelin missile system by US soldiers in February, and since then, he has used the weapon a total of 9 times. "I destroyed 8 targets and damaged 1, he said. Those were 3 tanks, 5 armored personnel vehicles, and 1 multi-purpose light armored towing vehicle. I destroyed 6 of these targets in one day, March 3rd. The soldier continued, adding, "That foreign anti-tank system delivered to Ukraine are easy to use." The post also said that Ukrainian forces would struggle to contain the enemy without the Western anti-tank weapons provided in successive military aid packages. After all, Russians have a lot of equipment and they spared neither hardware nor personnel at the beginning of the war, he said. And now, the situation is completely different. He added that Russian forces know that Ukraine has access to Javelins and NLAWs and that they fear them like the plague. And this fear paralyzes them and undermines their morale, the soldier said. Developed by Lockheed Martin and Raytheon, the FGM-148 Javelin missile system is the first shoulder-fire anti-armor system. Javelin automatically guides itself to the target after launch, allowing the gunner to take cover and avoid counterfire. Soldiers or Marines can reposition immediately after firing or reload to engage another threat, the official website explains. A fire and forget design, the missile system does not require additional guidance after it has been fired. The missiles use an automatic infrared guidance system that allows the user to seek cover after launch. Javelin missiles are so effective at destroying tanks and armored vehicles for a few reasons. First of all, these missiles are designed to attack vehicles from above, meaning that they land directly on top of enemy tanks. Upon landing, the missile uses an explosive-shaped charge that penetrates the armor of the tank. The missile does this without actually detonating its main warhead. Once it has broken through the armor, the main warhead is then detonated. It is substantially more powerful than the first blast. The secondary warhead injects superheated metal inside of the tank. This tandem charge system is accompanied by technology that allows the rocket to strike as soon as it knows it is over the most vulnerable part of the vehicle's armor. The Javelin missile can pierce virtually all tanks and armored vehicles in milliseconds.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.